Okay. Wait lang. Oh, makita ang screen ko. Oh my gosh. Hello, everybody. I want to play the video sana. So I want to play the video sana. But, you know, na epic fail. So what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? So, hello, everybody. Welcome to the Midnight Unicorn Club. Hello, unicorns. You can turn on your camera if you like, because we're live on Facebook.
Hello, I am alive.
Yeah, hello.
I'm Zai and I'm just a picture.
Picture today.
Hello, I'm Jeannie Rarity and I'm still having dinner, so I'm still a picture.
Hello, mga unicorn.
I'm Zai Silver Moon. I'm a picture.
Hello, Bebe Boy.
Yo, I'm Baby Boy. I'm eating milk bar.
Okay, so can we see you're eating milk bar? So by the way, we have our unicorn guest, si Bebe Boy, but he's actually a regular. But karon lang siya ni sulod. No? So mao niya to ang kanang classmate sa school nga na-enroll siya pero niabot siya o kanang late lang siya nagsulod. Ana lang.
So, bago ba yan siya? Hindi ko lagi yan siya kilala ay.
Uy, sulod-sulod.
Siya yung sige absent.
Yes. Siya yung
sinot yan siya.
Club.
Hindi nagapasok pero nagapasa ng assignment.
Yun. Oo, hindi nagapasok pero andyan pag may exam. So, ibig sabihin.
And he passes all the exams. O, diba? Genius.
Utusan ng teacher.
That is
kabalo na siya sa address yung mga teachers ba?
I am sure. I think so.
Dalaan dahil nagmam na. Order kag mga. Dahil libre chili oil.
Hindi ka sumay.
Ma'am, pwede ka lang dili lang ko i-75. Pwede taas-taasan gamay. Hatagan ta ka og koan. Hatagan ta ka og siomay.
So I think that's a wonderful topic. Sino ka? Anong klaseng classmate? Sa school. Is that right?
Ana si Lord.
Pinakabutan sa mga.
Ana si Lord Avi ginahatodan og mga teachers.
Moday ma-sold out na ang panga ni Bebe.
Oo, as in panga. Gusto ko mag-order pa naman.
Inabribe panga.
Pangarap mo.
Pangako sa'yo.
So that is
ang pangarap nyo.
Ay, lamay daw ang sauce. Magbalikan na po kag sauce, baby boy.
Saan sauce?
Sauce sa panga. Sa panga mo.
Ano ba?
Yes. Ingon sa mama ni Avi. Ni Lord Avi. Lord V.
Lord V.
Lord V. Ingon siya. Ingon niya ang mama na si Auntie Violet. Hello, Bubbles!
Bubbles is here and I don't know if she's gonna.
Bubbles is here, but I don't know if she's here.
I don't know if she. Bubbles, are you on? Okay, we can change her name. So, hello everybody. You can type in if you have any questions about love, life, sa mga pangyayaring ito. Ano ba? Kumusta ka na?
Saan ako madto?
Ha? Wala ka laging video, Bebe Boy. Si Tina Light Sparkle lang ang may video.
Ikaw, Day.
Wala akong video.
Ano man?
Kasi lang, basig mag-Google Flash mang good.
Mag-flash?
Google Flash.
So, there's still no comments, but hello to Don, who's watching, to Arman of Zamboanga. Hello everybody, we have 12 million viewers right now. So, what can we do for you and what can we contribute to you this evening? What do you have?
Hello, 12 million.
Hello, Jabez. Jabez is watching.
Happy Bean Unicorn is with us tonight.
And of course, love, Mama A. Mama A.
Oh my God! The goddess,
Hindi, akala ko naman hindi ako imbitado.
Ano ba yan?
goddess Atona.
Wait lang, i-change ko pa yung pangalan mo.
Diyos ko, nagulat ako. Nagulat ako sa invite.
Huwag ka na magulat. Pwede ka namang regular dito.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm so happy with that. Hi everyone, we're live on Facebook.
Hello. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this?
Ibang level ang energy ni Mama.
Kaya
Of
nga,
course.
Alam mo, may date baya kagabi yan siya.
What's yung date ko? Oy, grabe.
pero yan,
Ay,
marami na nag-good morning sa atin. Hello, good morning or maayong kapie kaninyong tanan. So,
Hi everyone.
do you have any concerns about love? You can ask us on the comment section because we have
Yes, please.
Coach Ato with us. So, pwede tong parang ano ba mga, we can also give you anti-Pokmaru tips.
Oo. Yeah, kung gusto nyong hiwalayan ang inyong mga partner, sabihin nyo lang sa akin. At kung wala kang partner, kung gusto mo maging single for the rest of your life, sabihin nyo rin sa akin. Baliktad. Baliktad na talaga ang new normal. O, di ba?
Yan na yan. So, we have Jenny. Jenny is watching. Jenny Tabar. And Darlene. Darlene is also alive on the group chats. On our comment section.
Wow.
So, currently, still no questions. Maybe from the panels. Bebe Boy, do you have any concern?
card reading for the unicorns first and then card reading sa kung sino gusto mo card.
I have question for Mama A.
Question daw. There's a question.
Go ahead.
How would you handle, repetitive mistakes by your partner? Charot.
Okay. Iisa lang ang ibig sabihin yan. At iisa lang ang tawag dyan. Anak, huwag kang maging tanga. Charot!
I love that. I love that.
Diba? Come on. Kaninong tanong yan sa'yo? O diba? Anak,
Hindi
please.
lang. Napaano lang ako, napaisip lang ako.
Oo, ay yung pag-iisip na yan, wag nating bigyan ng buhay. Kasi ay isa yan sa mga tanong ng mga katangahan.
Buti na lang wala kang love life, Jeannie.
Kaya nga, machismis tayo.
But,
Diba?
yes.
OMG, alam mo naman binubugbog ka.
Nakamute ka. You got muted.
Ito lang masasabi ko. Number one, we have to take care of ourselves. Kasi number one, kung may physical abuse or may physical we as a love coach, we ask you and suggest that you have to separate ways. Kasi hindi na siya healthy, ang tawag natin diyan, hindi na siya healthy. No, either any form of abuse, it could be psychological, verbal, physical, or mental. It is not advisable for you to live together or see each other again. But however, kung ang form mo naman kasi ay alam mong ginaganyan ka at feeling mo love ka pa rin, just go ahead. Kasi nanggagaling ito sa mahabang panahon na belief system na ito ay tinatawag natin, isa ito sa mga slides ko sa aking workshop, no? Ito yung belief na nanggagaling na, di ba nung maliit pa tayo, na-experience natin sa ating magulang na tatanungin natin ang ating magulang, Nay, Tay, bakit mo ako pinapalo? Tapos sasagutin ka ng tatay mo, Anak, kasi mahal kita. So yan, nagtanim yan sa ating isipan mula nung maliit pa tayo na na-associate natin ang pain into love. So we need to feel pain, we need to experience pain for us to conclude that if there is a pain, there is love. That's why marami tayong mga kaibigan na binubugbog na, dumudugo na yung bibig, dumudugo na yung ulo, no? 3 araw mag-separate sila, sabi ng babae, ayoko na sa kanya. Pero after 1 week, nagbalikan pa rin ang dalawa. Because again, they need each other. No? There's a need. Sa access consciousness, ang tawag natin diyan ay pain body. No? So you attract your own pain body. No? Na tawag nito na pinubugbog ka, okay lang sa'yo. So pag may nasaktan ka, feeling mo love ako, ay, love niyo ako. No? Kaya minsan, dumadami rin yung mga anak nila kasi ang tawag natin doon is kiss and make up. No? Pagkatapos ng bugbugan, tsuktsakan na. So, happy na sila doon. Oh, di ba?
Oh my God, thank you for that free tips, diba? Sa workshop to ni Mama, walang bayad yan.
Yes, walang bayad. Tanong na.
Guys, if you have any concern about love and relationships, please ask us. Please ask on our comment section via Fox Tribe and Mystic Angels. So hello daw from Ate Olive. Get como.
Hi Ate Olive, I miss you. Mua, chup, chup.
And hello din from Tita Merlinda of Zamboanga. Sabi niya, hello Fox Tribe, masaya dito. Ayun.
Wow.
And yun, people are still tuning in. We have 14 million viewers. A wonderful jump from the 12 million. So hello, Janelle. Kindly ask your question.
Yeah, hi. By the way, I would like to suggest for Fox Tribe to link with our group page so that we can share our live tonight. It's okay. You can also put it in my Facebook page. Go ahead. Let's spread love tonight. Oh my God.
Share this link. If you have or create your own watch parties, and just message on the live watch party comment so that we can see it. So yun, parang currently wala pang questions, so maybe someone from the panel, ano bang ngayon? Anong gagawin kung hindi na nagre-reply yung lalaki?
Oh, I see.
Matulog. Let's check. Sorry. Katulog na, Jai. Yanog yun. Basig natulog lang pud good siya. Manaawaya.
Anong question?
Ay, Fox Tribe, makinig kayo sa akin. Ito ay personal experience. Dati kasi hindi pa uuso yung cellphone. Ito yung mga 1990s, telepono pa lang, di ba? So, telebabad. Hanggang umaabot kami ng 1:30 ng gabi. Alam mo yung kabilang telepono, yung kausap ko, sabi niya, ala, tulog na pala yung kausap ko sa kabila.
Matulog lang.
Pero tama yung sagot mo, matulog na.
Ha? Kung 3 weeks, matulog din ako ng 3 weeks.
Mamaligyan kape, girl. No, God. Ganun si Ay. Pag-meditate so niya. Practice more.
Ano question?
Who does this belong to?
Which question does this belong to? Ayun.
Oo.
Okay. Wala masyadong kasi wala kang pinagbuburan.
Sige, ako may question ako.
Okay.
Sige, go.
Mama A, lumalove life ka ba?
Oo nga, Mama A. Meron ka ba?
Hala, ang tawa, oh.
Una sa lahat,
Agoy, nag-blush.
dahil sa social distancing at mukhang malayo talaga siya sa akin, ang ginawa ko, hinugot ko siya sa aking tadya at hinugot ko ang kanyang energy kagabi. Diba? Diyos ko, talagang na-starstruck talaga ako kay Aaron Abke. O, diba?
Yun pala yung love life kagabi, nag-date.
Oo, pero, man, Diyos ko, men ang tawag sa akin. Ay, men. O, diba, men. O, diba,
Bro.
Kulang na lang fist bump nila pag nagkita sila, di ba?
Or I love you, bro.
Yun. So there's a
Pero seriously, if you are happy with yourself, bonus na lang yung kung meron mang love life.
so true. I can tell you.
Yeah.
Actually.
But
bonus
I
na lang.
love life.
You
love life.
I know you love life. Me too.
Do you have a love life? I love life. They are.
Diba?
But so there's a comment here like the previous relationship was dati masuko kung makatulugan until makatulugan na lang. So na-imprint na sa kanya that kailangan magstay awake. So that time, the previous relationship was in poor health kasi yun nga, gustong maging awake. So but this time, learning better now. So yeah, that's from the chats here. So no, it's not a question anyway. So it's just a statement. So ayon. Bakit ka natahimik, Mama A? Biglang natahimik, may dumaan na anghel. Mama A. Wait lang, may mga question ba dito? What if hindi na sinasap? Okay, just sharing. If repetitive mistakes, so there's a comment here naman from Tita Merlinda. If repetitive mistakes, don't tolerate. Need to clarify and set rules. Kung repeat na, iwanan mo na kasi wala siyang respeto sa sarili niya at kailangan niya magsunya or mag-set to 0. Mag-reformat dapat siya. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for that input, Tita. So anybody else on the comment section who would like to ask or from the group? Bebe Boy, do you have a question or advice? Kuya ba ni si Bebe Boy?
Wow, advice, Jude.
May mga hirit ba tayo dyan?
May mga Bebe Boy jokes pa tayo kasi guys, we have 2 awesome people here also with us. Bebe Boy jokes. Please like the page, Bebe Boy Jokes. We have a book coming soon.
Soon.
Siyang kabebe. Mga kabebe.
Mga kabebe, kumusta na kayo dyan? So, Bebe Boy.
May baka mamaya.
Okay, later. How about Happy Bean? You have a question? Isa ba ako?
Ako naman, wala akong question.
Pero nalingaw ko, naminaw.
Si Maggie ba si...
Nawala na si Mama A. Loko. Suniya na. So, ang question ni Maggie kay saan pag-stop sa Yahoo. Charot.
Okay.
Oh, so, yeah. So, how was your Monday? What's your happy today?
Yes, that's a wonderful question. What's my happy today? I finally transcribed Datuk Dr. Lim's latest live. So I now know the 4 schools of Sunya. Anapana. So asa naman to, make sure ha.
Maha Anapana.
Anapana.
Yes, Maha Anapana. Maha na may Maha ni Pangging. Maha Anapangging.
Anapana Sutra, and then Sutra, and then there is the Lotus Sutra and the
Vimanakuti.
Oh, diba? So now I know my ABC next time.
Yay! Share with us.
So we will just share the transcript and or the parang summary maybe tomorrow. So yun. Oh, so
Yay, what else is possible?
How does it get better than this?
Yes. So akong happy. What's my happy today? My happy today is nag-arrange at nag-repot ng mga plants. So, yeah, ready na mga for sale na to. Dahil yan ang gawas ng ubang plant squad. So, malinis na ang aming lawn. Wow. Kumaka-lawn.
Get any better than this. So for all for all our viewers, you can type in what's your happy today. So we have a viewer from Qatar, and merong isang question. This is for the Rainbow Society. How do we find our way in settling down? So we'll just wait for Mama A for this, or maybe if Lord Avi has some inputs.
Lord Avi.
Lord Avi.
Lord Avi. We're gonna summon gani si Lord Avi. Lord Avi.
Wala pang comment si Lord Avi about this or about that.
Kulang pagkape para ma-summon.
We'll just wait for Mama A, and maybe meron siyang ask about settling down. I think for now, like me, I cannot answer because I'm not settled down.
Although I fart rainbow, we all do, but because we're unicorns.
Yeah.
So we'll just wait for Mama A. So let's do the rounds muna. So what's your happy?
Yes, next would
Wala
like
pang question?
Hello. Akong happy today kay kanang Plants versus Zombies. Murag na ano magud ko, murag nahitabo ba na kanang murag nalagot ko gamay nya, trigger ko gamay. So mo to kanang dili makaya og kanang inom-inom rag tubig. So nag Plants versus Zombie ko. Niya kanang gikapoy man ko, nagsumyak ko. So mo to murag kanang after ato kay nawala akong pagkamaldita.
cute.
Kay na message ba niya tubagon kung tubagon ako siya dayon kanang basin magkalainay lang may buot ba na. So mo to gi-distract sa nako kong self. Wala na ako gipaminaw ako ang immediate maldita nga response. So mo to.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing Happy Bean, because that's actually the one thing that we learned last Sunday about doing the small practice and the bigger practice. So the small practice of Sunya is to practice the reverse counting and then stop the breathing, stop the counting and then observe your breathing. And then go back to the world, meaning go do your duty, be with your family, and if anything comes up, like what happened to you, and you just remember that it's better to do sunya, and then nawala na siya. So that's the bigger practice. So thank you for sharing, Happy Bean. So before we continue to our happy, although there's a comment here from the comment section, si Janelle said the happy today is nakapalit siyang album sa iyang K-pop idol. So what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And we have from Lord Avi, the happy today is kay nagchika mi mama kaninang morning and mafeel na ko iyang kalipay nga kanang I've given her time. Wow. So it's really wonderful to also, give our time to our parents. And yon, naisip na ako, I might call her at least once a day. So I love my mama. Send her tuna pa nga and chicken roll na cordon bleu de ay. So yon. So what else is possible? Thank you for always showing us this, inspirations, Lord Avi, to also honor our parents. So that's really wonderful. So I love everybody's happy, very unique, and iba-iba ang shares. There's gardening, there's a lot of things. So Mama A,
Yes.
Yes, there's a question. For the whole society daw, how can they settle down?
What does it mean, settle down?
So, tanong natin, what do you mean?
Settle down na mag-asawa? Settle down na...
So,
settle down mag-asawa? Paano?
Wait lang. Wala pang Hello, Janelle. Can you... Yantar. Medyo delayed tayo sa FB. Meaning, what we're saying here is kind of, different from... Wala akong makita na comments nila. Wait lang ha. I'm just gonna check it again.
Yeah. Hi, televiewers. You can ask anything about relationship. Just let me know. Yes, we have a happy relationship to everyone. Yeah, we are meant actually to have an harmonious relationship. Yan yung will ni God sa atin. No? Yeah, when we have conflict with others, we are separate from God. No? So if we have problem with others, if we judge others, then it is a sign that we are separated from God. So for us to have a joy, love, peace, and happiness, then be just aligned with the will of God. Yay!
Ayun. So, thank you for that. Partner daw na same sex.
All right.
Is it, what is settling down for you? Is it getting married legally, or is this settling down, just being with a partner?
Yeah.
We will just
All
ask.
right.
Maybe living under the same roof.
Maybe
Under
living.
one roof, yeah. Mas idili kasal or
So,
whatever.
Yeah. So what's the question? Is it how? Kasi first of all, to settle down here in the Philippines, it's for the same sex. Wala pa kasi tayong marriages or wala pa tayong vows of marriage here in the Philippines, no? Kung mag-settle down, pwede naman kayong dalawa magsama sa isang bahay. Why not? I have friends with S, na they been together for a long time, 25 years, 30 years, yeah, pwede naman. Pero kung mag-expect tayo, or if we desire to have a legal papers or wala pa tayo dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. However, actually yan ang sinusulong natin sa Congress, na maipasa ang LGBTQI community and maging batas siya, dahil doon sa pagsasama ng the same sex in terms of morally. But however, sa states kasi or sa ibang bansa, mas advantage kasi na merong siyang legal papers of getting married for the same sex. Why? Because may advantage ito in terms of taxes, in terms of properties, in terms of tawag nito, insurance, no? So may mga advantage in terms of technically, no? Kaya I hope and I pray na maintindihan ito ng ating mambabatas, na hindi lang ito dahil sa immoral or moral issues, but there are legalities that we need to address, no? Like for example, matagal na magsama ang dalawang same-sex relationship.
Yeah.
Yay!
So thank you for that answer. So we hit the spot naman, same roof daw. So yun yung the question.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's nothing wrong. No,
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong about it. No one can judge. Again, I'm a love coach. However, in terms of love kasi, no one can judge us. Wala kasing tama at walang mali sa isang taong nag-iibigan.
Ayun.
Yeah?
So maybe it just depends on it depends on the lovers, how they communicate, how they show compassion and whatever. So,
You play lang yan.
dapat hindi na muna sila mag-judge sa kanilang self.
And they can ask, will this relationship contribute? If we're together, can we contribute more to each other?
Naririnig ko si
Yeah.
Kay.
Yes,
by the
Kay is
way-
playing with
By
me.
the way, guys, last February 14, kasi I'm based here in Boracay, merong pumunta dito talaga merong pumunta dito sa Boracay and asked me to do a love ritual for the same sex. They're very pretty couple. They're we do a love ritual. Maybe we can do a love ritual for both of you. Not necessarily a vows na na bonggang kasal. Wala naman ganun. Okay, so
Online lang.
just to validate, just to affirm your relationship, then I can do that for you.
Zoom love ritual. Ayun.
Yes.
Agree.
Zoom love ritual. Pwede, why not?
Oo, tapos invite kami, 'di ba? Ganun lang.
Pwede ka na talaga nito, Senior.
Ha?
Pwede ka na.
Oo, wala lang akong hindi pa bumaba si Moyan. Nasa heaven pa siya sa celestial plane. Nasa celestial plane pa, hindi pa siya bumababa. Charot.
Yeah, right.
May mga shares dito called Bubble said, my happy today is visiting my cousin Sweet V Cafe and doing 3 card readings for 3 beautiful souls and reflecting on them also. O, diba? Wonderful.
Wow.
And also, there are, si Ate Olive said, my happy today is, meron siyang nakausap na friend about business. And then one comment here from Tita Merlinda, based on my experience, I would like to share in looking for your love partner in life is start within yourself, love yourself first, and be positive and happy in life. So just converse with God and what you want in your partner, and in due time, he or she will come on the right time. And that is what God wants to be with you, not what you want. What else is possible? This is called divine surrender. So we have...
May sinasabi si Libni dito, oh.
Hello to Libni Sprinkles. Thank you.
Ritual para sa magka-love life kaya the Liberty.
Yes. How about Mama A? Ritual daw para magkaroon ng love life.
Tulog yapon, Zay.
Sure.
Yan yung ating na amount na ritual for having love in your life. So yan po ang ating next na Mama A, next na.
Yeah, sure. Actually, bago tayo mag-ritual, to have someone or to have a relationship, kailangan kasi tayong mag-ritual ng cutting of a ribbon, cutting a yellow ribbon, cutting ties, no? Cutting a golden ties. Kasi the reason why kung bakit nahihirapan tayo magkaroon ng relationship, dahil most of us hindi pa tayo nakapag-move on and move forward sa ating mga past relationships. With S, ha? Kasi hindi lang siya mag-isa. Baka naman yung first love mo, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Or first love mo, hindi ka pa mahal mo pa rin siya, pero nakahanap ka ng panakipbutas lang doon sa iyong nararanasang hindi ka pa nakapag-move on doon sa first mo na sobrang love. So kailangan natin yan munang putulin lahat yan. Kung willing ka lang naman. Pag hindi, I'm okay with that. So that we can have a new beginning, a new kind of relationship to be experienced. Yeah, so forte natin yan, guys. No? Televiewers, forte natin yan. Magagawa natin ng paraan yan. Honestly, marami ng mga kaibigan natin, no? Kaibigan ng mga nila Tina. Ang isang number 1 dyan, of course, si ating, sino ba yung kasama natin last week? No? Si Arian.
Yes.
Diba? Si Ate Arian, diba? So, yeah. And,
sila Ate Desai.
Si Sai, yeah. Ngayon, may dalawa na siyang anak. Diba? Yan. Oo. So, marami tayong testimony dyan. At I'm not saying this for whatever, but it's real. I mean, may mga taong pwedeng mag-testify that. Yeah?
So true. Thank you for that, Mama A, and for the general.
My pleasure to serve.
Yes, and here there are comments. Lord Abby said there are companies now na nag-offer of benefits for same-sex couples like HMO and insurance. So hopefully,
yes,
own companies can also offer the same. So some progressive companies are already offering this, and there's another question here from the panel. Ngano madangguhan ako akong unang uyab, usahay nga gi-separate naman ako akong self sa iya. So why do I dreaming of my previous love?
Yeah.
Even though I have
Thank you. Thank you for that question. First of all, we need to understand ano ang function ng dreams. Okay? Ang dreams kasi, it's a therapy for us. And dreams actually are a healing process of our conscious and subconscious mind, no? So that's why ang sabi nga doon sa aking tawag na taas sa aking wall, no, na nagpicture ako na merong kulambo kasi one of the spiritual practices is sleeping. Kasi habang natutulog tayo, nag-heal ang ating mind. So however, kaya mo hanggang ngayon napapanaginipan ang iyong past relationship or yung boyfriend or girlfriend mo before na hindi naman na kayo at matagal na, nag-heal kasi ang ating subconscious sa mga memories na nagkakaroon ng intense emotion. So like for example, nagkaroon kayo ng karanasan na intense na karanasan. So naipasok mo lang yan doon sa iyong subconscious, no? So since that wala na kayo ngayon, lumalabas siya sa iyong dream kasi ang dream hindi siya literal. Ang dream is a signs and symbols. So meaning that every night nagkakaroon tayo ng dreams pero naaalala lang natin ang mga dreams paggising natin sa umaga if we have an intense emotion. So pag nananaginip tayo sa gabi, kung sa computer pa, binabasura ng ating subconscious mind ang lahat ng mga undesirable emotions, no? Yung mga suppressed emotion nung gising tayo, no? So like for example, gusto ko kumain ng ice cream. Tapos hindi ako makakain ng ice cream kasi wala akong pangbili, no? So lulunukin ko yung intense emotion na 'yan. So kinagabihan, no? Papanaginipan natin yung intense emotion na 'yan on any forms, on any symbols, no? That's why pag may mga taong lumalapit sa akin to interpret dreams, ang una kong tanong sa kanila, ano yung naramdaman mo na feeling nung gumising? Kasi kung naramdaman mong fear, ibig sabihin yan, meron kang sinupress na fear nung ikaw ay gising. Kung like for example, meron namang guilt, no? Especially doon sa mga dreams na hinahabol ka at tumatakbo ka, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Ang sign na yan is about guilt, no? So meron kang guilt feeling na sinupress mo lang, hindi mo siya na-address, no? Hindi mo siya na-ilabas, hindi mo siya na-express, then lalabas yan sa ating dreams. Okay.
Wow. That was a wonderful explanation, detailed explanation about the dreams. So I'm sure a lot of people are having a lot of vivid dreams lately, you know, and yeah. So thank you for that, Mama A. And may mga shares dito about their happy. My happy today is we have 4,157 points as personal point value. So we have our DXN members watching here. And another happy today from Tito Arman is my happy win today is we have purchased 32,000 worth of products. Wow, what else is possible? This is for Labason branch from Zamboanga del Norte. Awesome sales. How does it get any better than this? And there's another question, Mama A, about dream, a follow-up. What if mag-dream tapos nahitabo siya sa near or far future? What about those dreams that happens?
Okay. Okay. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na cosmic download, no? Ang dream kasi also ginagamit ng ating universe na kung meron siyang gustong i-message sa physical plane, no? If your dream is constantly same scenarios on the same time sa gabi, then therefore it is a message. Hindi siya dream therapy. No? Most likely, pag ganyan na mangyari, may mangyayari at the near future. Usually, within 3 months nung time na nanaginip ka. Bakit 3 months? Dahil ang buhay natin ay nagbabago ng direksyon every 3 months, quarterly. Wow. No? That's why hindi ako naniniwala na accurate ang palm reading, because sa ating palm reading, meron yan na dadagdag na guhit sa ating palad every 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah? Yeah. The same thing also when I use the tool of tarot card. Every time I read the tarot card, I always ask my current na this is only good, my reading for your card is this is only good for 3 months. Yeah. Kasi we cannot withhold actually the plan of God for us. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na forever tong sinabi ko sa'yo. No, we cannot do that. If not, ikukulong natin ang tao sa paniniwala na sinabi mo sa kanya. So, hindi pwede. No? Alright.
Ayan. So thank you so much for those information about dreams. There's another question here. What about dreams about angels and demons?
Okay, sige. The angel, again, sabi ko nga kanina, hindi siya literal. No? Hindi yan literal na merong angel at merong demons. No? So, si demons, no, it's a sign, it's a symbol, it's a sign and symbol of your ego. No? And if there is an angel in your dream and there's a demon, ibig sabihin yan, that is a dream of confusion. Alin ba dyan ang pipiliin mo or alin ba dyan ang desisyon na gagawin mo sa circumstances mo, in the current circumstances, bakit na-dream mo yan? Dahil confused ka. Hindi mo alam kung alin ang pipiliin mong tama at hindi mo rin alam kung alin ang pipiliin mo. Baka mamaya ang pipiliin mo ay mali. No? So, the more na kailangan mo ako, sino ang nagtanong niyan? Kailangan mo ako. O, diba?
Oh, Janelle, you message Mama A. So, another share here is my happy today is nakita na ko akong friends sa dugay na ko wala nakita tungod sa COVID. So, I miss you, Darl and Mais. Thank you, Sweet Bee Cafe. Sulit and affordable food. So, Sweet Bee is owned by our cousin. She's selling pastil. And if you have time, you can visit at Doña Segunda Complex. Also available for to-go cups ang ating coffee doon, DXN Coffee, tea latte, and lemon tea with chia seeds. And here's another question, Mama A. What if po yung agad kinabukasan?
I'm sorry?
What
ulit po?
What if po yung dream ay nangyari agad kinabukasan?
Well, that's again, what do you call this? A divine providence. It's a divine providence. But however, kung merong yan ang nangyari, again, our perception has a major role here. No? That's the reason why maraming natatakot sa tinatawag na mga gift. Kasi sometimes it's unconsciously it's your gift. No? That's why maraming nagsasabi sa akin, Sir, ito yung napanaginipan ko, yung kaibigan ko, ito nangyari, tapos biglang nadisgrasya siya. No? Actually, ginagamit ka ng universe na pwede mong sabihin sa kaibigan mo na pwede bang huwag ka muna mag-travel today? Kasi mukhang hindi favorable sa'yo yung mag-travel today. Pwede bang ipabukas na or sa makailan or next month ka na mag-travel? Mas maganda siguro yun. Believe it or not, it is not because tinatakot ka ng dreams mo, but however, if you see this through the eyes of love and through the eyes of your gift, then therefore, actually, you are such a messenger. You are such a messenger. Like for example, nanaginip ako na may lindol. And true, kinabukasan nagkaroon ng lindol. Ang advice ko dyan is that since na-experience mo yan, kailangan mo siya i-journal. No? Kailangan mo siya i-journal so that masubaybayan mo ang frequency and consistency ng mga messages na ginagamit ka. Ang problema minsan dahil sa fear at takot, no? At takot, then hindi natin nagagampanan ang ating gift na binigay sa atin, no? Gift na binigay sa atin. Kasi honestly, we are not a magician, but we are a messenger of a cosmic, divine cosmic. So, yeah, huwag tayong matakot. No? If you need guidance, andyan yung aking Facebook. Anytime you can message me, and I'm very happy to serve you and very happy to share wisdom about all of this. No? Yeah.
Wow.
Galing. Okay, thank you so much, Mama A, for that.
My pleasure.
Okay, so there's that's Maggie. Okay, from Tracy Balunos. It's my daughter Indira's birthday. My happy today. Not sure if I'm allowed to share. Of course, you're allowed to share. Happy birthday, Indira. And happy birthday sa lahat ng nag-birthday.
Yes, to all the July birthday people. Happy birthday. Actually, it's a wonderful, wonderful number. 13.
Maggie is becoming a bird.
Okay. So,
Yes.
question, what's this? How do I attract my rainbow partner? Mama A.
How do I track my rainbow partner? What do you mean by rainbow partner? Rainbow partner, same-sex ba ito?
Yes.
Or same-sex?
Yes.
Rainbow partner?
Mm-hmm.
Let's be specific, guys. Guys, hindi ako manghuhula. Ako isang love coach.
Same-sex.
Yeah. How can I attract ba? Attract?
Yes, attract.
Okay. Sige, isa lang kasi ang alam ko sa attraction eh. No, kailangan bumalik tayo sa inner work. No? Ibig sabihin ng inner work, if we don't love ourselves, then ang lahat ng taong ma-attract mo ay pangsamantala lang. It's just a temporary. No? Pero kung if I have a good relationship with myself, I love myself, then therefore I attract rainbow man yan, unicorn man yan, elementals man yan. Ang importante, balik muna tayo sa ating sarili. No? Let's have a good relationship with ourselves. Yun nga sabi ko kanina. Again, how can I look for someone outside of me if I am complete? Kung dumating man siya sa buhay ko, rainbow man siya, or kulog man siya, yan ay bonus na lang yon. No? Ibig sabihin yan ay able to surpass and master myself. But however, sa ngayon kasi, kung satisfied ka na, I mean, you know, right now, not for anything else, marami nagsasabi, I'm a love coach but wala daw akong relationship. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, masaya akong ako lang mag-isa at marami akong minamahal, hindi lang isa.
Yes! Bongga!
Yeah. Pang Miss Universe lang.
And I, thank you.
I believe.
Greek goddess talaga.
Great goddess Atona.
Yes. Bakit siya naging ato naman ulit? Ano ba?
Atona. Atonibay. Okay. Yeah, wonderful. As if mga love life. So, dasal lang, Mama A. Talaga. Yung sa advice ko naman, ako yung hindi love coach, pero yes, prayers lang talaga, besh. Hindi nagkandila. Mga 3 candles every night. Yes. Yeah, magkuan ka. Yes. Yes, niya magkuan, magka nagsindi og tanglad. Tapos magkuan na din ka, mag-start na din ka burger. Cheese ana lang.
Viewers.
Kain, because where there's love, there is food. And where there's food, there's love. So pagbusog ka,
Exactly.
maduol ginasi mo ang mga gugma. Anak lang ka.
Diba?
Ito daw di ay ngun ni Yontor.
Oo.
Si Janelle na nag-question.
Ano siya na? Spread the love. Okay, so
Janelle, spread the love.
so true na it's really wonderful to yourself first, love yourself first, because it's gonna be, I think this is why a lot of relationships are toxic is we don't love ourselves, and we look for that love in our partner, and no matter how much love and care they give to you, hindi mo siya ma-feel kasi hindi mo naman mahal ang sarili mo. So it's gonna be like that if
Yes, Shifu.
Sipo!
Amen, amen, Shifu.
Amen talaga, Shifu. Mm-mm.
Sipo!
ano ba yan
Sipo!
Uy, ang ating Shifu, may love life ba yun?
What?
It's like Shifu natin. Ay, sorry, may na-hurt.
I can say nila like
Basta, ating Shifu, siguro, na siya mga post-post sa love life.
Shifu Ken.
Hala ka na, nag-name drop ka lagi. Ay, hindi ko ba sana sabihin na si Kenshin Rune Batosay, Facebook niya yung nag-teach ang Tai Chi.
Aga, magbuba si misinterpret nila ako to na, no?
Ay, si Shifu Tina na I love life. Si Mama A. Mama A, hindi ka Shifu, Mama ka. Ikaw ang aming ina. Uy, salamat kayo for tonight. Kasi muna kung katulog. Charot.
Okay, so it's 10:53 actually, and maybe there with the Hannah, would you like to speak out? Bebe Boy, may mga comments. Jeannie, still have.
I think natulog na si Baby Boy.
I think so, no?
Mm-mm.
Ito yung ano ka.
Ang hinaw na ko eh. I'm listening.
Kasi sana babasahin ko yung kay Tina na post kahapon. If you really love someone, you let them nap.
Yes. So
Baby
true.
boy! Baby boy, buksi ba ang iyong ano be?
Bebe Boy.
Yan! Uy, na-miss ko lagi ito si Bebe Boy.
Storya Bebe Boy, pamakita ka sa ano.
Saman.
Gikilig, nag-blush.
Di, natural.
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 Nababalig na ako andong.
Anyway, any announcements for the week? Tomorrow we have our sister Rose call. Ay, tomorrow na ba? Wednesday na?
Yes, tomorrow is Wednesday. I know, tomorrow is Tuesday. No, sa data.
Okay, Tuesday, nothing is happening on our end, but there is, of course, in Miracles. What time, Mama A? 7
p.m.
Of course, in
There's a course in Miracles Philippines, Zoom study group meeting, facilitated by Dorothy Tome from Las Vegas. So please join us. I mean, sorry for this because hindi muna tayo magdemetas dahil sa pandemic. Kaya continue pa rin ang study group sa Zoom meeting. Siguro pag wala ng pandemic, pwede na magdemetas. Tamis ko na lagi ang banapal.
Char, as if naman nasa Davao ka. Miss ka dyan sa Demitas. But what I love about this pandemic is that we are still connected even if we are far, no? Karon na appreciate yung technology. What else is possible?
Actually, nakakatawa tong pandemic na to. Sabi ko if this is not part of a natural occurrence, there will be a divine intervention because I believe there's always a divine intervention. But however, kanina naglalakad ako, I realized na si COVID pala is a divine intervention. Kasi kung hindi dahil kay COVID, di ba? Hindi natin na-interview si Aaron Abkay.
Correct.
Di ba? I mean, ang daming, sa atin mga light workers, mga miracle workers, maraming naidulot na miracle ang pangyayaring ito, no? Kabaliktaran sa mga pananaw ng ibang tao, no? So I'm happy for it. So let's embrace and let's love COVID. COVID awaits our love. Huwag tayo mag-resist. Diba?
Yes, I agree with that talaga. I resonate with that, Mama A. Because like for Emotions Anonymous as well, parang hindi kami talagang we were planning to really open it to the public, like one-on-one face, and then quarantine happened. So if not for the technology, we weren't able to also share it with those who really need the venue where they wanted to listen to their emotional concerns.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that's true. Correct. Agree.
Yes, and here's a comment here below from Happy Bean. Katong nakatuon kong dawat ug love akong self kay ang magdag-manifest kay akong sugar baby. Cute ba ni? Wala na ako gi-expect nga moabot siya. So haha, unya ka ng love na gina-daydream lang nako. Kagelo. Diba?
Wow!
Better than this.
Baka happy.
Pogi daw si Jay. Ay sige pa cute. So, Wednesdays naman, we have 2 p.m. Sisterhood of the Rose call. We'll be continuing the Rose Goddess Walk. 3 p.m. is Get Happy Unicorn. So this is all open for the public. It's just that you have to get the Zoom link from us. And then, what else?
Na-miss ko lagi ng room mo ba, na?
Ito, actually, by the way, the room of Mama A, whenever
Na-miss ko yung picture na yan.
there's a lot of
Darling, Bubble.
Na-miss mo yung shadow dyan.
I love you.
Mama A.
Mama A. Sino ba
Na-miss ko si Margaret.
Ay, si Margaret, yung entity?
Oo.
Oh. Smokey
babae,
actually.
Gi.
Oo, diyan ko rin ginawa si June. June.
I love you, Maggie. Ang name daw ng entity is Margaret. And you're Margaret.
Senyor, kaya pala what else?
Kapag tinatawag mo si Maggie, siya yung lumalapit.
Kaya nga, baka ganon. Oo nga.
Hindi ba na mabait naman? Okay lang yun.
Alright, no problem.
I love you, baby.
And then, what do you call this? We have bars.
Access bars.
Yes, Thursday. It's gonna be half day muna the call, meaning the lecture is gonna be half day. So it will start at 10 a.m. hanggang 2:30, and then tea time Thursdays with Hannah. So she just left. She's our guest for the tea time Thursdays. It's 3 p.m. and the topic is flirting with money. O, diba? What else is possible? And next we have this Saturday, second part ng access bars, which is the bar swapping. So we will do it also on live and also on Zoom. So there will be people live, pero limited lang yung ating limited lang yung numbers because of the social distancing. And then of course, 5 p.m. Emotions Anonymous. And then every Sundays is 2:30 p.m. Sunya Sundays with Dr. Lim. So yun, because our lessons are getting deeper and deeper. And we get to know the history. So what else?
Yes, and don't forget Mother Peace, 8 p.m. Angel Vibes.
Yun, and every Sunday. Yun.
Emotions Anonymous.
Yes, already did Emotions.
Okay. Yay. Tapos Siomay Suman.
Next is our goods that are coming up. So we have Bebe Boy, tindahan ni Bebe Boy, Siopaw, Siomay.
May suman yan. Siopaw, siomay, suman.
Paspasa daw. Siopaw, siomay, siomaw.
Oh, siomay, suman.
Siopaw, siomay, sioman. Siomay, sioman.
Siomay, suman. Siomay,
I
suman.
miss you, darling Bubble.
I love you. I choose you, I'm grateful for you.
I
Thank
choose
you.
you. I still love you. I love you. I choose you. So, dapat si Barney palitan na niya ang kanyang song. I choose you. You
You
choose
choose
me.
me. We're a happy family.
Yay! Thank you for that, Thor. Like, a cute na iyong voice. Why? Ano ganyan ang aking voice. Demure masyado. Bagay na ba? Sige na, maraming salamat. So, maraming salamat sa mga nag-attend tonight. Pwede na ako ma-demure?
What do you want? Just try and uncreate yourself. So if you want to-
Who am I today and what grand and glorious adventures am I
Hala,
going
oy.
to?
Hala, oy. Talagang grabe sa ulato lagi na nyo, no? Diyos ko, naibad na lagi ang
What else is possible?
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you guys. Wow.
All
Actually,
of
I was
life comes to us
Actually,
in
I've
joy
been
and glory.
envisioning that. I've been envisioning that to hear with you guys. I'm so happy.
Yay.
Thank you.
What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? So, yon. Yeah, Sweet Surrender. Sweet Surrender. Mag-order na daw mo mango float. Just order at Mystic Angels CP Market. So, we have planters, plants, and pots, and whatever, crystals. Ano pa ba? Who is also... Yan.
Lahat. Meron kami lahat. Lalaki lang talagang na kami.
Bar session, we're all bars practitioners here, so you can just message any one of us, and or if you're in Boracay, of course you have Love Coach Ato, and meron pa yung mga other bonuses which can be angel reading, and people here are also angel readers. So what else is possible? So if you have any concerns or whatever, kindly just message if you need mga products that we just mentioned or workshops or classes that we just mentioned. So thank you for tonight. And yeah, well, thank you for being here at the Midnight Unicorn Club. I'm Tina Light Sparkle. And
I'm Zai Silvermoon.
Ato, the Love Coach.
Genie Rarity. Bubbles.
Baby boy.
Hati Bean. Katong Bean nga dili. Dili bastos.
oh, diba?
Si Happy Bean.
Si Vanessa.
Oh, Vanessa.
The V of the AMV.
Bye, good night, guys. Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes. Thank you for your tips, Mama.
Blessing. I love you.
Blessings. Bye-bye.
Yeah.